Hello and welcome to my Python tutorial where I'm going to be going over more inputs and outputs. In this case, I'm going to show you how to do circumference and area of a circle in Python. So let's take a look at today's tasks, shall we? So we need to write a program that asks the user to input the diameter to get the circumference of a circle. So we can use this formula as a hint. I'm going to copy and paste that in there. And you'll notice diameter has got a red line underneath that because there is no diameter variable. So we need to make one. We can do diameter equals, and we're going to use a float for decimal numbers. We've got float input, and then we're going to ask the user to enter the diameter. And then out of that, we're going to do a print statement to say circumference of a circle. And then we are going to do a comma outside the quote but in the bracket, and we're going to say circumference. So let's run it. I'm going to do enter diameter of 2.45, and this is the output. So we can do a couple of things. I'm going to use the round function. So I'm going to print, copy the print statement, and I'm going to put the round function in because we can round that. And to round numbers, you need to do type round, set of brackets, and then we need to put circumference, comma, and then 2 if we want to round it to do 2 decimal places. So I'm going to enter 2.45 as a diameter, and you can see what's happened there. We've got 7.69, 3. Because there's a 3 comes after the 9, it stays to the 9. It stays there as it is. So that's how we can do it doing the round function. However, I'm going to copy those 3 lines, and I'm going to show you something we can also do. And I'm going to do the import math module, because what we can do there is we can change the pi around from 3.14 to math.pi for pi. So I'm going to run that, and I'm going to do 2.675. You can see what's happened. So we've got 8.39, so we round it up to 4. So we've rounded that up to 4, even though it's meant to be 2 decimal places. Then and then with the pi, you've got a different answer there, rounded up. And rounded up by 2 to 2dp, we got 8.4. So let's try another number. 425. So we got 10.754. So rounded off, it's 75 because it's a 4 below. It's a 4 below. Second number stays the same. It's 5 or more, it goes up 1. When we're doing the math.pi function, however, the answer slightly different. So you got the 10.75, and you got 995 and all the rest of them. And because you've got a 9 as the third number after the decimal point, if we round it off, it's 10.76. So that is how we do circumference of a circle in all those different ways. Next, we are going to do the area of a circle. So we need to get our formula. Looks like this. And we are going to ask the user to type in the radius. So it's a float, input, enter the radius. Okay. And then we're going to print area of a circle. And we're just going to print area. But let's say I want to round that off. So I'm going to do round area, comma 2. Let's run that. I'm going to do, so we've got the area of a circle, 2.432, 18.571. Because it's a 1, it's still 18.57. However, let's say we want to use the math.py function instead. So we can do just that. So I'm going to try that again. You can see the numbers are slightly different in relation to area of a circle. We're using the math.py function or the 3.14. Another trick we can have in this, we can do exponentation. And to do exponentation, you need to press Shift 8 twice. And then just put a 2 there. And you could do the same for here. And I can guarantee you the output, the answers are going to be the same. Yeah. So whatever we do, answers are going to be the same because you're still squaring. Let's try those again. Yeah, so answers exactly the same there. Okay, so we have learned a few things from there. Math.py to figure out pi, exponentation, as well as doing squared. So there's loads of different ways we can do just those two working. If you've enjoyed my video, please like, subscribe and share, and I look forward to doing another video for you. Bye for now.